Est-ce que m'ka pozo yon question?
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question?
Mwen d'akor avek ou.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
Li pral vin yon dokter.
She will become a doctor. She will become a doctor.
Mwen kwen nan bon Dieu.
I believe in God. I believe in God.
Chen yon morde zo a.
The dog bites the bone. The dog bites the bone.
Est-ce que mwen ka prete yon plim nan men ou?
Can I borrow a pen from you? Can I borrow a pen from you?
Pa krase ve a.
Don't break the glass. Don't break the glass.
Tan pri pote d'lo pou mwen.
Please bring me some water. Please bring me some water.
Li brose cheve li.
She brushes her hair. She brushes her hair.
Mwen vle achete yon nouvo telefon.
I want to buy a new phone. I want to buy a new phone.
An anile voyaj la.
Let's cancel the trip. Let's cancel the trip.
Moun yo chanje ak tan.
People change over time. People change over time.
Mwen netwaye cham mwen chak jou.
I clean my room every day. I clean my room every day.
Li ka monte pied bois.
He can climb a tree. He can climb a tree.
Tan pri, ferme pot la.
Please close the door. Please close the door.
Pa plenye trop.
Don't complain too much. Don't complain too much.
Est-ce que ou ka konte jiska 10?
Can you count to 10? Can you count to 10?
Medikaman sa ap geri ou.
This medicine will cure you. This medicine will cure you.
Fè atensyon le wap koupe papye a.
Be careful when you cut paper. Be careful when you cut paper.
Bebe a kriye nan nwit.
The baby cries at night. The baby cries at night.
An danse nan fèt la.
Let's dance at the party. Let's dance at the party.
Li ka desine yon chat.
She can draw a cat. She can draw a cat.
Mwen bwe kafe chak matin.
I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning.
Li kondu yon machin rouge.
He drives a red car. He drives a red car.
Nou manje midi.
We eat lunch at noon. We eat lunch at noon.
Est-ce que ou ka explike sa pou mwen?
Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me?
Pi go tombe sou chez la.
Don't fall off the chair. Don't fall off the chair.
An jwen yon bon film.
Let's find a good movie. Let's find a good movie.
Mwen pral fini travay mwen tale.
I will finish my work soon. I will finish my work soon.
Est-ce que ou ka repare telefon mwen ya?
Can you fix my phone? Can you fix my phone?
Zwazo yo vole nan siel la.
Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky.
Mwen touj oubliye kle mwen.
I always forget my keys. I always forget my keys.
Li reme bay kado.
He likes to give gifts. He likes to give gifts.
An ale nan pak la.
Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park.
Li gen 2 chen.
She has 2 dogs. She has 2 dogs.
Eske ou ka tande mizik la?
Can you hear the music? Can you hear the music?
An kache derye pot la.
Let's hide behind the door. Let's hide behind the door.
Mwen kenbe ti fwe mwen.
I hold my little brother. I hold my little brother.
Mwen espere ou pase yon bon jounen.
I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good day.
Simpleman ignore bria.
Just ignore the noise. Just ignore the noise.
Mwen konen repons nan.
I know the answer. I know the answer.
Mwen vle apren anglè.
I want to learn English. I want to learn English.
Li pral kite demen.
He will leave tomorrow. He will leave tomorrow.
Eske ou ka prete mi yon plim?
Can you lend me a pen? Can you lend me a pen?
Koute profese ya.
Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher.
Yo ap viv nan New York.
They live in New York. They live in New York.
Gade siel la.
Look at the sky. Look at the sky.
Pa perdi telefon nou.
Don't lose your phone. Don't lose your phone.
Mwen vle fe yon gato.
I want to make a cake. I want to make a cake.
Mwen bezwen ed.
I need help. I need help.
Tan pri, louvri fenet la.
Please open the window. Please open the window.
Mwen pral peye bodro a.
I will pay the bill. I will pay the bill.
An jwe football.
Let's play soccer. Let's play soccer.
Ou ta dwe pratike chak jou.
You should practice every day. You should practice every day.
Li reme fe kom si li se yon ren.
She loves to pretend she's a queen. She loves to pretend she's a queen.
Mwen promet ou pou m pa an reta.
I promise to be on time. I promise to be on time.
Mete telefon ou lwen.
Put your phone away. Put your phone away.
Lap fe la pli demen.
It will rain tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow.
Mwen remen li liv.
I love to read books. I love to read books.
Eske ou ka monte bisiklet?
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
Nou kouri nan pak la.
We run in the park. We run in the park.
Tan pri, enregistre nimero telefon mwen.
Please save my number. Please save my number.
Ki sal te di?
What did he say? What did he say?
Mwen ka we mon yo.
I can see the mountains. I can see the mountains.
Yo van fri fre.
They sell fresh fruit. They sell fresh fruit.
Mwen vle pataje histwa mwen.
I want to share my story. I want to share my story.
An chante yon chante.
Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song.
Tan pri, chita.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Mwen dormi bonè.
I sleep early. I sleep early.
Est-ce que ou ka pale doucement?
Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly?
Koman ou eple mot sa?
How do you spell this word? How do you spell this word?
Nou pase tan ansam.
We spend time together. We spend time together.
Yo kampe nan ling.
They stand in line. They stand in line.
An komanse kounye ya.
Let's start now. Let's start now.
Pa vole bagay moun.
Don't steal from others. Don't steal from others.
Mwen reme etidye anglè.
I like to study English. I like to study English.
Est-ce que ou ka nage?
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Mwen pran otobis pou mal l'ekol.
I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school.
An pale sou sa.
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Li reme anseye ti moun yo.
She loves to teach kids. She loves to teach kids.
Tan pri, pa takine li.
Please don't tease him. Please don't tease him.
Est-ce que ou ka rakonte m yon histwa?
Can you tell me a story? Can you tell me a story?
Mwen toujou panse avan m pale.
I always think before I speak. I always think before I speak.
Pa jete fatra a terre.
Don't throw trash on the ground. Don't throw trash on the ground.
Li ka tradue espanyol an anglè.
She can translate Spanish to English. She can translate Spanish to English.
Mwen reme voyaje nan mond la.
I love to travel the world. I love to travel the world.
Ou ta dwe fe zami ou yo konfians.
You should trust your friends. You should trust your friends.
An eseye yon nouvo bagay.
Let's try something new. Let's try something new.
Tan pri, eten limye yo.
Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights.
Li me televizyon an.
Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV.
Mwen pa kompren kesyon an.
I don't understand the question. I don't understand the question.
Nou itilize yon ordinate pou travay.
We use a computer for work. We use a computer for work.
Map tan otobis la.
I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus.
Mwen leve a 7 nan matin.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nou mache pou al l'ekol.
We walk to school. We walk to school.
Mwen vle krem glase.
I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
Mwen gade film nan weekend yo.
I watch movies on weekend. I watch movies on weekend.
Li reme travay di.
He likes to work hard. He likes to work hard.
Mwen enkyete pou exame mwen.
I worry about my exams. I worry about my exams.
Mwen ekri yon let.
I write a letter. I write a letter.